Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to shed some light on a critical aspect of the maintenance industry, wrench time. If you're keen on increasing productivity within your maintenance team, you might want to stick around. We'll explore what wrench time is, why it's important to track, and some potential upsides and downsides. We'll also discuss the various methods for tracking wrench time and how to increase it effectively. Let's get started. Let's start by understanding why it's beneficial to track wrench time. Typically, wrench time averages about 35%, but in a world-class setting, it can reach up to 55%. However, tracking wrench time alone won't improve it. The key lies in enhancing maintenance planning and scheduling. This involves shifting from reactive to more preventive or predictive maintenance, which can be facilitated by hiring a maintenance planner and leveraging PM scheduling software. Now, you might wonder, if not just to improve wrench time, why else should we track it? There are several compelling reasons. Firstly, to monitor improvements in productivity. For example, a plant might increase its completed work orders from 1,000 to 1,570 per month by implementing a preventive maintenance program, all with the same workforce. Secondly, to identify time-intensive tasks. Understanding the duration it takes to complete work orders can lead to better reliability and scheduling decisions. Lastly, for accurate accounting. Tracking the time spent on specific assets helps in assigning monetary value and aids in depreciation calculations, ensuring precise bookkeeping. However, it's crucial to note that wrench time should not be used to check if technicians are merely doing their jobs, as this can foster distrust and create a stressful work environment. Despite its benefits, measuring wrench time comes with potential downsides. It can upset people, as technicians might feel mistrusted or underappreciated. Wrench time doesn't account for other essential tasks like diagnosing problems, root cause analysis, or on-site planning, which can lead to misleading results. If interpreted incorrectly, it might reflect higher wrench time for less productivity, as longer task durations aren't necessarily indicative of effective work. When it comes to tracking wrench time, there are several methods. Work sampling, where an analyst observes technicians periodically to gauge productivity. Day in the life of DILO, where a consultant follows a technician for a day to identify productivity barriers. Within the work order, where technicians use mobile CMMS software to track wrench time directly on each work order. Understanding what causes low wrench time is crucial. Common issues include waiting on parts or equipment, excessive travel time within facilities, lockout-tagout inefficiencies, a reactive maintenance mindset, and poor maintenance planning. So how can you increase wrench time? Here are some effective strategies. Improve MRO storeroom management to ensure necessary parts and tools are readily available. Enhance coordination with operations to ensure assets are ready and offline when needed. Establish repeatable procedures for work orders, utilizing maintenance checklists to standardize processes and ensure quick, accurate task completion. Map out your facility to optimize routes and minimize travel time between jobs. In conclusion, while wrench time is a straightforward measure of hours spent working on equipment, it doesn't necessarily reflect the effectiveness of that work or the overall reliability of your facility. However, it's a valuable metric for identifying daily obstacles faced by technicians and can play a crucial role in accounting for maintenance tasks. Remember, it's not just about the time spent, it's about making that time count towards more productive and reliable maintenance operations. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching. Today we've explored the concept of wrench time, its importance, how to track it, and strategies to increase it. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insights into the maintenance industry. For further information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you.